Alright, in this water tank math video, I'm going to show the dreaded plus a negative number. This will be showing up later in elementary school, definitely in middle school, and then in high school. We have this being shown, and the kids are running into this. So how can I interpret plus minus, plus a negative, on my math paper? I'm working on my problems. How can I visualize this? Well, here again, this is the power of the water tank design, and this is really one of the reasons why I came up with this design. My own students were having troubles with this, and I needed some way to relate it to them. So plus and negative. So this would be an example I might see in my textbook: 7 plus, and then maybe negative 6. Okay, so how can I interpret 7 plus and negative 6? Why do these mathematicians write these symbols like this? All right, so plus and negative 6, this plus minus really is going to relate to again, a toilet. So this would be like your dog, your cat, or pet is drinking water from the top of the toilet. All right, I know a lot of kids have run into this, so this is a great way. Oh yeah, I remember that when I was a kid. My pet used to do that. So that's the visualization that they should picture in their mind when they're doing this problem. So again, 7 tells them that the water level is higher than normal. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so the plus sign tells me again that something's going to be happening up here at the top. But now the next value is a negative. So kind of like opposite of, the opposite way, the water's going to go the opposite way. So instead of the water level, the water coming in from the top, the water is going to be going out of the top. Okay, so think about that. If your dog or cat is drinking water out of the top of the toilet, I think most kids would understand that the water level is actually going to go which way? That's right, it's going to go down. Okay, so it's going to go down 6 units. So I'm going to go down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 units. That's going to put me at a positive 1. So 7 plus a negative 6 is going to be 1. All right, so that is the visualization on how a student can understand the plus a negative value. All right, it's plus minus here. However you want to understand. I know a lot of people say it different ways. All right, let's do another problem. And again, maybe I'm on the intermediate level, and so I don't have these little curved lines on here, you know. And so let's see, how would I do this as a teacher maybe if I'm doing this problem? So let's do another one here. Let's do 8 plus a negative 5. 8 plus a negative 5. So how can I understand this? Well, I know that, oh, wait a minute, 8 units. So the water level is higher than normal in the toilet. So it's going to be above the 0 line, 8 units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. All right, so then the plus means, again, something's going to happen at the top. So I'm going to draw a curved line at the top. And then the next number is a negative, so the opposite way. The water's going to go the opposite way. Instead of coming in from the top, it's going to go out of the top. The dog or cat or some other pet maybe is drinking water out of the toilet. So think about that, and I can say, oh yeah, the water level has got to go down. So I'm going to draw some arrows going down. Go down 5 units. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So I can see that the ending water level is going to be at a level of 3 here. So I'll put 3 as my answer.